the secretary of Miss Bilkis from Birthday Committee. I would like to schedule a meeting between Miss Kiki and Mr. Agus. Secretary Salsa, when and where will you like the meeting to take place? You'd like to propose today, September 24, 2024 at 11 at Kiko Restaurant in Jepara. Confirm if this time and location work for Mr. Agus.
Let me check Mr. Agus' availability. Call you hold for a moment, please.
Of course, take your time.
Thank you for waiting. Miss RIP spoken with Mr. Agus and he is available for the meeting on Tuesday, September 24, 2024 at 11 at the restaurant. The time and for him.
That's perfect. Thank you for confirming. Also, may I ask for your full name and a contact number in case we need to reach you?
Certainly, my full name is Alf Alifatunisa and you can reach me at +123-12345.
Thank you, Ms. Alpha. I will share all the details with my superior.
Same with Miss Salsa. If you need anything else, please contact me.
Yes, I will contact you again. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.